It's Mr. K, Courage to Kill, and I want to say thank you to all my fans, all my friends, all my co-workers, my family, for wishing me happy birthday. I did enjoy my birthday. Um, of course, I had to go to work from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m., but it was a great day for me. I took it easy on my job, and I just came from Merchant Grills and had a nice steak. I'm over here with one of my cats, one of my babies, named Cena. You know, thank you guys for everything. It was a great birthday for me. And thanks for all my fans on Facebook and for wishing me happy birthday. So that's what I gotta say. Take a K out. Take a K all day.